is gonna, so now if you got to LA County, yes, LA County is gonna cap your structure at 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. But these, basically kind of like boarding houses, right? In the city of LA, go down to the USC patrol zone, you're gonna see them everywhere down there. Yeah.
Maybe good catch. Are there any kitchens at all in it, or?
Yes. Yep. You're gonna put, and that's another thing. I like to max out these numbers from the building envelope to the number of bedrooms, because we can always go back. We can always go back down, and we can take maybe 2 bedrooms, put it into a living room. If you want to take the garage, I know a guy that's doing something like this. He's got 2 double duplexes, contiguous lots, so it's 8. I think it's 8. Well, he converted the garages. One's a sound studio, one's a gym, one's a library, a study area, and I forget what the 4th one is, but they kind of do some conversions. So from this math, you can always scale it back. You can put more parking in, or you can put more kitchens, more living space. But number one, you want to know if it's a deal, right? You want to know if